Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to decorate a wooden elephant. This is the wooden elephant I have decorated using decoupage technique. We will first apply white base coat on the elephant, and then I'm going to choose this beautiful decoupage sheet. This I got it from Amazon. This is Itsy Bitsy's decoupage filament paper. I'm using Decoupage glue and varnish. I'm going to cut out the desired shape and then stick it onto the elephant using decoupage glue. You have to stick slowly from the sides and use a dry brush on top to stick it, and then on top you apply decoupage glue again. This is how it looks. On top of it you apply generous amount of decoupage glue. I also cut out some pieces from that same sheet. I cut out some more pieces and sticked it with decoupage glue. Then I painted it and then gave some detailing using gold, white colors. It looks so pretty, right? If you like our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. Look at the detailing. Very minute detailing I did. This is how I arranged it with the rest of the elephants. It looks so gorgeous, right? Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please like, share and subscribe.